When you search for best cuticle oils and creams, everything looks the same. Same packaging, same claims, same photos. But to understand what truly nourishes and repairs your nails and cuticles, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. Priced at just $4.97, this product caught my attention because it's designed to eliminate excess cuticles in just 15 seconds, all while being enriched with aloe and chamomile. If you want a quick solution for tidy cuticles, this is worth a serious look. This gel formula is ultra fast and helps soften cuticles, making it easier to manage them without the pain of traditional methods. It's perfect for those of you who are busy and want quick results without sacrificing nail health. With over 40,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people trust this product to do the job quickly. Now, some people complained about the strong scent. Here's the thing though, while it does have a noticeable smell, many users find that it dissipates quickly and doesn't linger, which might not be a deal breaker for most. But if you're super sensitive to scents, you might want to keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you're someone who wants a fast and effective way to manage cuticles. Skip this one if you're looking for something that will also provide deep nourishment beyond just removal. For the price, it's a solid option for quick cuticle care.
Product number 2, Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof. The Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream, priced at $12.99. What really caught my eye about this product is its promise to repair damage from acrylics and promote nail growth. If you're dealing with brittle or weak nails, this is definitely worth a look. The cream is infused with vitamins and minerals that penetrate deeply, strengthening your nails while conditioning your cuticles. It absorbs quickly, so you won't feel greasy afterward, which is a huge plus. With 20,000 purchases in the last month, it's clear that this formula has a solid reputation for delivering results. However, some users noted that they didn't see immediate results. Here's the thing, nail care takes time, and while many found it effective, if you're looking for instant gratification, this may not meet your expectations right away. Still, for long-term nail health, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you're battling weak or damaged nails and want a reliable cream to help restore them. Skip this if you're looking for a quick fix solution that shows results overnight. Overall, it offers good value for those aiming for stronger nails.
Product number 3, Sally Hansen Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil. Let's talk about this Sally Hansen Nail Treatment Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil, priced at $6.74. This caught my eye because it claims to deeply nourish and condition dry nails and cuticles. If hydration and softness are what you're after, this is definitely worth considering. This oil is enriched with natural ingredients like vitamin E and apricot kernel, which helps soften cuticles and provide essential moisture to dry nails. It's a well-loved product with over 10,000 sold recently, showing it's a go-to for many seeking healthy nails. However, a few users mentioned that it takes a while to absorb completely. Here's the thing. While it does take some time, many found that the long-lasting hydration is worth it, especially if used regularly. If you're okay with a little wait for fantastic results, you'll appreciate this oil. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable way to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated and healthy. Skip this one if you need something that absorbs instantly. At its price, it offers great value for a nourishing treatment.
Product number 4, C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. The next product is the C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, which is priced at $6.99. What drew me to this one is its reputation for repairing cuticles overnight and promoting nail growth. If you're looking for intensive care, this is worth checking out. This oil combines sweet almond with various vitamins and essential fatty acids. It promises to moisturize and strengthen your nails while providing a delightful scent. With 9,000 sold recently, it's clear that many people trust its quality. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is essential for daily use. On the downside, some users felt that the dropper could be tricky to use. Here's the thing though, while it might take a little practice, once you get the hang of it, the precise application can actually help you avoid waste. This is perfect for you if you want an overnight solution to dry, damaged cuticles. Skip this if you're looking for something more versatile than just cuticle care. For the price, it delivers great results without breaking the bank.
Product number 5, Savaland Natural Cuticle Oil Pen. We have the Savaland Natural Cuticle Oil Pen, which is also priced at $6.99. I was intrigued by its pen design, making it easy for on-the-go applications. If convenience is a priority for you, this might be the perfect choice.
Infused with vitamin E and natural plant-based ingredients, this oil aims to nourish and protect your cuticles while being mess-free. With 9,000 sold recently, it's becoming a popular choice for those who want easy application. The variety of flavors adds a fun touch, making cuticle care feel a little more luxurious. However, some people found the application a bit finicky at first. Here's the thing. Once you get used to the twist mechanism, it becomes pretty straightforward. For those who appreciate portability and ease of use, it's a minor learning curve worth overcoming. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and want a quick way to care for your nails. Skip this if you prefer a traditional oil bottle application. For the cost, it offers a unique and practical solution.
So there you have it. From the quick-action Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover to the convenient Salon Cuticle Oil Pen, each product has something unique to offer. If you're after fast results, you might lean towards Sally Hansen. For strength and repair, Onyx Professional is a solid choice. And if hydration is what you need, either Sally Hansen or C-Care will serve you well. Lastly, for ease of use, consider the Salon pen. Whatever your nail care needs, one of these products is sure to work for you.